This video will guide you on how to increase the touch sensitivity on your Samsung Galaxy S22. Your phone has a feature to increase the sensitivity of its touch screen. It can be useful for people who often wear gloves while using their devices. Aside from that, you can also increase the touch sensitivity if the screen isn't as responsive as it was, especially after installing a new screen protector. This is how it's done. From the home screen, pull up the app drawer and then tap Settings. Inside the main settings screen, tap Display. Scroll all the way down and you should see the option Touch Sensitivity. Simply tap the switch next to it and it will immediately be enabled, and the touch screen will become more responsive than before. After enabling such a feature, your phone will now have a tendency of executing commands while in your pocket or purse. To prevent that, enable the accidental touch protection by tapping the switch next to it. And that's how you improve your phone's responsiveness. Aside from that, you can rest assured it won't execute touch commands you did not do. We hope that this simple tutorial can be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.